Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, Setting Windows Updates Active Hours, I'm going to show you how you can ensure that Windows updates are never downloaded and installed during the time that you're working. The first step to changing your Windows Updates Active Hours is to access your Windows Update settings. To do that, you can click on Start, choose Settings. I'll maximize my screen, and now I'll go to Update and Security. And once I'm in this screen, one of the options that I have is to change my active hours. If I click on this, I have the option to set active hours. Windows gives me the option to automatically adjust these active hours based on when my device is used, or, and this is what I would recommend, I can tell Windows when it should not update my computer and when I'm going to be using it. Here I have my current active hours set from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I can click Change, and here I can select the time that works best for me. If I want to make sure that my computer is ready to go 2 hours before and 2 hours after my usual workday, I can set those times here. So I can choose 6 a.m. and I can choose to end it even later, such as at 7 p.m. And this will tell Windows that between the hours of 6 a.m. and 7 p.m., and you see that here it is changed, that it should not download or install Windows updates. This will make sure that your computer doesn't suddenly want to reboot while you're in the middle of your workday, and will ensure that you have the greatest control over when your computer does install these updates. Once you've set the settings the way that you want them, all you have to do is close this window, or you can hit back and change any other Windows updates or related Windows settings that you need to. There are other ways to access Windows Update settings. If you have an update icon in the lower right of your screen, you can click on this and it will take you to Windows Update. And again, I can access my active hours. Or if I click on my Start button, I can actually just type in active hours and choose Change Active Hours to get directly to that screen. Or I can click Start and type in Update to go to Windows Update settings. And in this window, I can also access the same Change Active Hours settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Don't forget that you can now suggest video topic ideas. If you have an idea for a video topic, please see the link in the video description. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.